global markets and rebounding from huge losses caused by coronavirus pandemic, Asian equities are mostly firm today after a strong Wall Street session in which S&P 500 hit an all-time high. Both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite set records soon after opening bell in US, following strong sales growth reported by major US retailers including Walmart, Kohl's and Home Depot. The closely watched S&P 500 topped an all-time peak reached in February this year. The index has surged about 45% since then. The market optimism was also buoyed by data showing an acceleration in US home buildings, which were high in nearly 4 years last month, signifying that the housing sector is emerging as one of the few areas of strength in an economy hit hard by the pandemic. Meanwhile, Australia's S&P 200 rose just 0.1% in the early trade, while South Korea's KOSPI was up 1%. Japan's NIKKEI 225, it slipped 0.2%. Nasdaq clocked its 18th record closing high since early June when it confirmed its recovery from the coronavirus sell-off. Yesterday's record was its 34th record close so far this year, compared with 31 record closings highs in 2019 and 2018. Consumer discretionary rose the most among major S&P sectors on strength in Amazon, while tech stocks provided another major support to the benchmark index. US Federal Reserve's intervention in financial markets to maintain liquidity in midst of coronavirus pandemic has weakened the dollar, pushing risk assets to all-time highs and reducing demand for safe havens. Minutes from Fed's recent meeting are due today. Meanwhile, it may provide some insight into how central bank sees recovery playing out. Fed has cut rates to near zero to bolster business through the pandemic. Dollar index meanwhile fell 0.551%, with euro up 0.53% to 1,192. Japanese yen meanwhile strengthened 0.6% versus greenback to 105 per dollar. The benchmark 10-year treasury note, it fell 1.8 basis points. Meanwhile, gold is up more than 1% and it's back above $2,000 level reached early this month, as dollar fell against a basket of major currencies worldwide for a fifth consecutive trading day. So spot gold, it was up 0.74% to $2,000.19 an ounce. US gold futures meanwhile settled up 0.7%.